Hi students, I am your Kusma ma'am. Now I am going to explain about some interesting topics about the cell. సో అసలు సైంటిస్టులు ఎవరు మనకి ప్రపోజ్ చేశారు ఈ సెల్ అనేది. సో సెల్ డిస్కవర్డ్ బై రాబర్ట్ హుక్ ఇన్ 1665 and he proposed that basic structural unit of life is cell. That means from the cell only our total body will composed. That means from the cell tissues, from the tissues organs, from the organs organ system, like that total body will made up. So this one called as a structural unit. Next, cell theory. Cell theory was proposed by Theodor Schwann and Schleiden. These two scientists was proposed cell theory in 1839 and they proposed one matter, that is all organisms are composed of similar units of organization, that is cells. That means see here, whatever organism if they forms from the cells only it can form. That means plant cell need cells only, animal needs cells only, bacteria needs cells only to form their structure. So for all organisms the similar unit is what? For organization of body, cells. Nucleus, it is the center part of the cell. Who proposed? Robert Brown in 1831, and it contains cell chromosomes. That means see here, in the nucleus of the cell, see here, suppose this one is a cell, okay, this is the center part of, this one is nucleus. In the nucleus chromosomes like thread like structures, these are chromosomes. These chromosomes are very helpful to carry some genetical information, DNA. Okay, DNA. In the next class completely I will explain about DNA. And nucleus allow for the passage of molecules in and out. That means whatever molecules needed to the cell, suppose minerals, proteins, lipids, fats, everything, for the energy of the cell compulsory these need the nutrients. That need the nutrients will enter into the cell, and after that again if the waste products it forms means that completely out to the cell. So nucleus only will help for the passage of molecules in and out. Next, who proposed these chromosomes? Fleming in 1882, and already I told it carry basic genetic material DNA. Basic genetic material DNA, double helical structure DNA, like this it will be DNA. That means our hereditary characters. Next, cell membrane and cell wall. Who proposed cell membrane and cell wall means Robert Hooke in 1665, and they stated that it protects the cell. Cell membrane will protect our cell from the damage. That means see here, this one is the cell nucleus. So cell membrane is the outer covering area. Got it? Inner is plasma membrane and outer is cell membrane. Okay, this cell membrane protects the cell, and cell wall what it gives? It gives strength. It gives strength to the cell. So only it will be so rigid. In the next class completely we will discuss about plant cell and animal cell differences and different kinds of organelles.